Hi everyone, I'm over at manufacturedhomehub.org and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a coupon or a discount code on your listing page for your visitors to generate some new customers. The first thing you'll do, of course, is to sign in with your user credentials to our website. And then if you just look right below your username, you'll go over to the dashboard, click on dashboard. And on the dashboard, you will go over to the left-hand column and click on coupons. Okay, I have one coupon that is currently active. In the sidebar area. There are two places you can put coupons. You can put it in the sidebar area or you can put it in the content area. You can choose, you choose this to begin with. The content area is the major part of the page, the listing page, and then of course sidebar is over on the right hand side. Most coupons are over on the right hand column. That's where people generally look for them. So that is where I am going to actually place this one. I'm going to click add new. Choose a listing for the coupon. I am going to do one for my business called Pensacola Landscaping. Here it is right here. And the coupon title, this is where you put the offer, and this is what's going to be across the image that the coupon is going to use. And so we're going to put $15 off first month, $15 off your first month, your first month. All right, so that's my coupon title, and I might want to just capitalize the first letters of everything just to make sure it kind of stands out. The coupon code, you can create anything you want. I'm just going to put 15 off. And then I put the dollar amount here, 15 off. I like to put this like this, and I'll show you why when we look at the finished product. The amount, if this was, 15% off, I would put it like that. But in this case, it is a dollar amount. So I'm just going to put $15 off. I want the coupon to start today. And I am going to run this coupon for a month. Today is the 23rd, so I'll run it through the 23rd of July. The button name, I'm going to put claim here. Okay. If I wanted the button to go to an external link, like to my website or a landing page on my website, or on my website where they could actually print out a coupon, then that's fine, but I'm not going to do that. This is just going to be click here to claim, and then the coupon details are going to be show this coupon to your landscaper. And then I'm going to put new customers only. Okay. And then I need to upload a feature image for this coupon to be featured on. One thing about the image is the size of this image should be 372 by 240 pixels. We're going to upload an image, and it needs to be slightly darkened because the print over it is going to be white. So if it's too white, if you notice here, this is for one of the other listings that I did earlier. This is the original photo, and then I just darkened it a bit for the coupon. And the same thing like with this one. This is for another ad that I did earlier. And so you can either put a screen over that, or you can just darken the photo. And I think that this is going to be fine. The more times you do it, the better you'll get at it. And of course, if you ever need any assistance in creating that darkened image, all you have to do is send me the image in an email asking me to prepare it for you, and send it to contact@manufacturedhomehub.org, and I will be more than happy to help you get that all set up. So Pensacola Landscaping, best landscaper in Pensacola. So this is alt text, and any place on the web where you have a photo, you should be using alt text to include some of your keywords. And I am going to use this in the alt text, in the title of the image, and also down here in the description. And this will improve the SEO, the search engine optimization of your page. So now that that's done, my image is attached. So I am going to save this. Now with coupons, if you have a Patriot plan with us or the All-American plan, you are allowed to create these coupons. If you have only a free listing, this option is not available to you. So it would be great if you wanted to upgrade to a Patriot plan. That would be awesome, so that you could have your coupon on your listing. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over here. We're going to take a look at what that looks like. Let's find our landscaping business. Here it is. And voila, there is our coupon. It looks so great. Wow. You see, this is why I put $15 off. It's up in the upper left-hand corner. There's a tick down clock so people know how many days, hours, and minutes are left on the deal. And then this is where they would claim the code. So they would just have to tell, you could give instructions. Either they could copy it, they could take a photo of this if they're on their phone, whatever. They show this coupon to your landscaper. So this looks super good. So that is how you create a coupon on manufacturedhomehub.org. I hope this video helped you, and if you need any assistance at all, contact us at contact@manufacturedhomehub.org. Thanks, and have a great day.